Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia and thank you for joining. You guys are always asking me how I get my hair nice and waved and tousled and pretty much how I style my hair, so I decided to give you guys this quick tutorial. on how I wave my hair using my Beachwaver. It is a quick process, so if you want to see more, then just stay tuned. So today I'm going to be using my Beachwaver Pro, which I've told you about already. This is the 3¼ inch Beachwaver. It gets me these waves. So it has a clip right here, and that allows you to place the hair in there. You can release as much hair as you want at the ends. To get this look, I usually don't put all of my hair in to curl the ends. I want to leave a little hair out. And then they have this cute little quick system where if you're on the left side of your hair, you click the left side, which is, you click the left button, and then if you're on the right side of your hair, you click the right button. And then when you want it to curl, you just hit go, and it goes in the direction that it says, and you just go for it. So it heats up to 450. I use a 410 just because I know it'll wave without too much heat on my hair. But I'm also going to be using the Great Barrier. It's a heat protectant and a hairspray. So it's going to protect my hair and hold the curl at the same time. And it smells so great. So first I'm going to take my Beachwaver Great Barrier heat protectant and hairspray. It's going to hold the wave and protect it from the heat at the same time. So I'm just going to take it and just spray. And it smells really good. It smells like a pink sugary, like everything yummy and sweet. Now I'm just gonna comb through and make sure there's no knots or tangles. I'm gonna take my 3¼ inch Beachwaver. And the great thing about this is if you don't know how to wand your hair or wrap it around and you don't want to burn yourself, this has a nice little clip you can clip your hair into, and then you just turn it right or left and voila, it spins on its own for you. Get the job done quickly. It goes up to heat of 450, but I'm going to use 410 today. I'm just going to section my hair in large enough pieces. I'm literally just going to clip it and twist. I have it on left right now for the left side of my hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to release, and you see, like, this is the wave. I left the ends of my hair out. I just left that in. I'm going to wand it. I pressed go. Leaving the ends out. Pressing go. Press go after I clamp my hair. And I don't want to get the ends because I want it to have like this undone type of look. I'm just going to hold it for 5 to 7 seconds. Take another chunk of hair. And this is a pretty big chunk, so maybe I break it up a little. I'm going to go. Again, I'm leaving the ends out. 5 to 7 seconds. Is going to be on that left light. I'm going to leave out the ends and I'm going to press go. I'm going to hold for 5 to 7 seconds. So that's all the hair on the left side. Now I'm gonna switch the light. I'm gonna hit the right side. And I'm gonna hit the right hair. I'm gonna hit the right side of my hair, literally clipping it and pressing go. Okay, so this is the final look. Nice, full, and a little wavy. As you see, I like to keep the ends straight, which is why I leave the ends out so it can look as tousled as possible. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial with me. I know you guys want to see more on how I style my hair, so hopefully this is a step in the right direction for you guys. If you want to see more, then just drop a line in the comment box and let me know which one to see more of, and I will see you guys next time.